What is this COVID-19 all about? In 2019, China informed WHO about a potential virus that was responsible for human respiratory illness. The disease was later named as COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-2. COVID-19 spreads when people are in close contact and one person inhales small droplets produced by an infected person. This led to the introduction of the first rule, wearing a mask. These droplets can land on your hand and can be transmitted through something as simple as a handshake, thus bringing a high risk of infection. This led to the introduction of Rule 2, social distancing. The virus can survive on different surfaces for a long time. So touching these contaminated surfaces can lead to a high risk of infection, thus leading to a nationwide lockdown. We will have a look at some interesting visualizations that was provided by the government of Victoria. The first case reported in Australia was on 25th of January 2020 in the state of Victoria. It was not a matter of concern for Victoria till the number of cases started to rise from March. On 16th of March, Victorian government declared state of emergency followed by lockdown restrictions in hope of suppressing the virus transmission. The suppression strategy was successful as the number of new cases dropped dramatically. When we thought everything was under control and the government of Victoria decided to ease lockdown restrictions, there was a drastic surge in the number of new cases from mid-June and continued to rise till date. The total number of cases in Victoria has now reached to 14,659. What caused this surge is that with ease of restriction, we neglected the prevention measures that promoted higher risk of transmission. It's a tough fight, so let's stand together and win over Corona for once and for all.